All right, I'm reviewing a product here that my son-in-law got for his birthday. And boy, these things are great sounding. They're not like the little bitty AirPods. These are the AirPods Max. I tell you what, these things are awesome. Noise cancellation and everything. You've got your box here. Comes with its cord, charging cord, but doesn't come with the little plug that goes in your outlet itself. So you have to buy that little block separate. They're doing that now with all the products. And then you've got your protective case cover. That's about it for it. And it's gonna protect it, keep it clean, at least for that reason. And these things are they feel pretty heavy, but on your head, you don't feel it. And they're really good. I mean, the sound quality is awesome. But when you stick them back in here, it'll go into like a standby mode, and also you have access down at the bottom here to charge it into its charging port. Let's see, where's that charging port at? There it is, the charging port. So these things are pretty awesome. Let me tell you a little about something else here. Another thing about these real quick here for the headset. These headsets are a little around $600. They are not cheap. So you're gonna get good quality out of this, let me tell you. I've really listened to these different variations of music, and wow, I tell you, the sound quality is awesome, and you can't hear anything on the outside. So sometimes you won't be able to hear anybody screaming and yell at you because you can't hear what they're saying to you. But here, let's talk about how to sync it up and just how it works. Okay, here's the unit when it's syncing up with the headset itself. You're going to press the button, show them the button that you gotta press. You gotta hold this button right here, and that's going to link up. And that button right there, what does that button do right there?
This is the pause, skip music, go back, volume. Okay. And this is the noise canceling.
That's the noise canceling, but it's also to connect your Bluetooth, right?
Yes.
Okay, so noise canceling, Bluetooth. These headsets are awesome. You've gotta try them out. Good luck, God bless, works for me.